Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save a project in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to create a new repository. So in GitHub, you go to repositories, you can access your repositories from here. So your repositories, and then you will need just to click on new one. So here you add the name of your project. So let's suppose it's a Python app. Python app. I'm just going to add the name and create the repository. So here I'm just going to create a repository, and now it has or it's created an empty repository or an empty remote repository. Now we need just to go to uh, our projects folder, and basically here is my project folder. I'm just going to delete this one. I'm going just to leave my code and delete this one. And basically here you will need just to open a git bash here. So, or a git terminal or anything, any terminal would work. And basically now we will need first to git init. And basically we will be just uh, uh, copy and pasting some command. So basically you have the git init, it will create an empty repository into our project. Now we are interested in the git commit. So I'm just going to add this git add here, and basically we can go like this. Uh, let's just git add all, and from here I'm just going to git commit my first commit, and from here I'm just going to use like that. And basically we need just to specify the main branch, and we just copy and paste all these as follow, so you cannot have any hard time searching for the commands. And the last one would push the changes to your repository. So now we will have our project that will be adding. But here, make sure to use git add dot. So make sure to use git add all, and it's like that. So you can have all the changes of your directory added, because the git add is will adding your files to the stages files. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.